up, guys? How's everybody's Friday going? I am headed to the store right now because I just got my plan in my email, and I'm really pumped to start that. I'm kind of tired of just being an average dude living an average life, so I am going to the store right now. I'm going to buy the food that I need, and then tonight I'm going to go get some whey protein, probably just from the gym or whatever, just so I can get started now. And then I'll be all set. I'm going to meal prep today, get all that going. That way, I don't have to sit there and think about what I'm eating. Guys, meal prep is huge. Yeah, I see a lot of people, they're on this if it fits your macros bandwagon or intermittent fasting bandwagon, where they just kind of, eat whatever all the time, as long as it's under a certain range of calories, and they just never really do that well. Guys, they don't do well because, one, they don't really take into account insulin and stuff like that. And plus, if you're going to a restaurant and you're subbing something that's let's say you're supposed to eat chicken and rice, you go to a restaurant and you try and get a sub for that, and let's say you get fish and rice. Well, chances are that fish has been cooked in butter and the rice has been cooked in butter, and God knows what else is in your food. There could be fingernails. Okay, so really, if you are serious about getting the most rip possible and you want to get the best bang for your buck from your program, you need to be meal prepping, guys. That means you go to the store, you cook all your meat, you cook your rice for a couple days, I'd go 3 or 4 days at most, and you pack it up and you have everything ready to go. That way, when it comes down to it, when you go to work, you pack all your meals. When you are at home, you go to the fridge, you take a meal out, pop it in the microwave, you're good to go. There's none of this questioning oh, hey, maybe I should just go to Applebee's and get some salmon. No, you already have everything cooked, so there's no temptation to screw up on your plan and eat something you're not supposed to be eating, or eat calories you don't mean to be eating, because everything is already put together for you. So guys, if you're struggling to make progress and you have that habit where you don't prep, change that. That is the best way to fix your lack of results. And if that doesn't help, what you need to do is you need to sit down, get a paper journal. You need to write down everything that you're putting in your mouth every day for 7 days. I'm not a big fan of apps like MyFitnessPal because, when you type stuff in, you tend to forget about it. But when you write stuff down with your hand, it's kind of more of a mind-body connection. You're going to remember that just 10 times better because you're physically doing it. All right, guys. So, just 2 things for this weekend. Meal prep and then food log, okay? Or log your food, sorry. That's going to help you get much better results and help you get the most out of whatever program you're on. All right, guys, let's keep getting those results. Y'all stay safe this weekend and don't drink and drive.